Oh.
And the rivals take possession on the 38-yard line.
They are beating you. They got to beat you. They just got one though. There were 2 combines, they just got one in.
I can't actually remember if he's a founder or not, so. Oh my god.
He's too big.
It takes like 4 kids to stop one dude.
He's too big compared to everyone else. That's normally what they do in little kid football. They put the biggest person on the ball.
No, I know, but like every other team that I've
Who the
played.
hell's 29? Holy shit.
I don't know.
Oh, no?
Oh, I don't know that either.
Like,
1 yard loss.
He's over everyone on the field.
No, I cannot see this
First and
at
8.
all, so I really hope I'm getting it.
Like, the tallest person on the field is number 29, and he has some meat on him.
Yeah, I guess so.
Damn.
I got him. But I can't actually tell whether or not I'm getting this or not.
What number's your brother?
42, probably.
I don't see him.
He's probably on the sideline. He's literally the smallest kid.
Fair point.
Should be 3rd down. 13.
Oh, I found your dad.
Yeah, he's bald. You can see him easily.
Well, no, he's also wearing a bucket, like a bucket hat.
Oh, yeah. That's Bobby over there, though.
First down.
Touchdown.
There you go.